Wait a sec. Before you scroll, check this out. If you're wondering whether it's worth it, yes, it absolutely is. So many users have given it 5 stars, and after testing it, I see why. Seriously, don't miss it. Click the link in the description and thank me later. Quick heads up, you'll thank me later for showing you this. It's rare to find something that's both affordable and genuinely impressive, but this one nails it perfectly. Go see it for yourself. The link's right there in the description. Hey there, you might want to see this before it's gone. It's been trending for a reason. People keep buying it and leaving amazing reviews. The build quality feels great. It works exactly as described, and honestly, it's better than I expected. Want to see why everyone's obsessed with it? Links in the description. Go now. Before you skip, this might be the product you've been looking for. There's a reason everyone's buying this right now. It's reliable, easy to use, and wait a sec. Before you scroll, check this out. If you're wondering whether it's worth it, yes.